In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sales page in Payhip. By the end, you'll have a clean, compelling page set up inside your Payhip store that's ready to showcase your offers and convert visitors into customers. Start by heading to your Payhip dashboard. This is your home base for everything store related. From here, look for the store option. Clicking store takes you into the area where your website and its pages live. So it's the right place to build a dedicated sales page rather than relying on a default product layout. Next, select Launch Your Store Builder. This opens Payhip's visual builder, where you can work with a live preview and make changes in real time. You'll see controls that let you add pages, adjust content, and tweak the look and feel. Think of this as your canvas for shaping the exact experience you want your customers to have. At the top left, click Add. This tells Payhip you're creating something new for your site. When the options appear, choose Custom Page. A custom page is perfect for a sales page because it gives you full flexibility to craft a focused narrative, ideal for a launch, a flagship product, or a targeted offer, without being locked into a standard product template. You'll be prompted to enter a page title. Keep it clear and benefit-oriented so visitors instantly understand the promise of the page. Short descriptive titles work well, and you can always refine the wording later as you test what resonates. Once you've named it, click Add to create the page. Payhip will spin up the new page and drop you right into its layout so you can start crafting the content. Now it's time to edit the design. Begin with a strong hero section, a concise headline that states the outcome your product delivers, a short supporting line for context, and a prominent call to action button that matches your primary goal. Use high-quality imagery that reflects your brand and supports the message. As you shape the body of the page, aim for a logical flow: problem, solution, benefits, proof, and the offer. So readers can move from curiosity to confidence. Keep paragraphs scannable. Use clear subheadings and maintain generous spacing. Align colors and fonts with your brand for a cohesive look, and ensure buttons stand out with sufficient contrast. If you reference features or bonuses, emphasize value and outcomes rather than just a list of specs. Finally, give the layout a quick pass for readability on smaller screens to keep everything legible and tap-friendly. That's it. Navigate to the builder, add a custom page, title it, and refine the design until it clearly communicates your offer. With these steps, your Payhip sales page is ready to do the heavy lifting for your business.